La doctora Patricia Kongshavn, creadora de Immunocal, nos explica por qué el glutatión es muy importante en nuestro cuerpo.
When Dr. Bonus and I started our experiments in the mid-1970s, there were maybe 50,000 articles on glutathione in the medical literature. Today there are at least 3 times that many, the gist of which is summarized elegantly in the new edition of Dr. Gutman's book on glutathione. It's a fabulous book, not only because I saw my name in it, but because it is so readable and comprehensive. I thoroughly recommend it. Now, back to the 1970s. As most of you know, we found an especially prepared whey protein isolate, now called Immunocal, when fed to mice, enabled them to make a stronger immune response, and they also showed greater resistance to infections like Salmonella, which is food poisoning, or pneumococcus. Now, all these findings were very exciting, but we didn't know what in the Immunocal was responsible for these effects. Then by chance one day, Dr. Bonus happened to be talking to a colleague in the Department of Surgery where he worked at McGill, who said to him, "I think we're looking at glutathione." We had never even heard of glutathione. However, we soon learned that glutathione is a very important substance found in every cell in the body, in the plant and animal kingdom, even in microorganisms and fungi. And it has multiple functions, and as we learned later, it's especially important for the immune system. And we showed that mice fed Immunocal indeed had not only an enhanced response, but also they developed increased glutathione levels in their tissues, while the control mice fed a placebo diet did not. And later on, Dr. Lanz extended this finding to humans. He showed that when healthy young adults were fed Immunocal for 3 months, the glutathione values in their lymphocytes rose by 35%. Now, glutathione is generally made inside the cells from 3 amino acids. 2 of them, glutamine and glycine, are plentiful in the body and in the food we eat. But the third one, cysteine, is not. It's easily damaged by heat or mechanical stress, so it's mostly the best sources are raw foods, raw meat, raw eggs, raw milk, and so forth. So it's the availability of cysteine that limits the ability of the cell to make glutathione. Very important. Now, Immunocal is a rich source of cysteine, so the explanation of our findings was that Immunotech provided the cysteine needed to make glutathione, and this enabled the immune system. So, to conclude, briefly, glutathione is your body's most important antioxidant, detoxifying agent, and needed to support the immune system to allow it to reach its full potential. So taking Immunocal has many benefits.
Al tomar Immunocal, nuestro cuerpo producirá glutatión de una forma natural. ¿Te interesa comprar Immunocal directamente a Immunotech? Hola, soy Agustina García, soy una consultora independiente de Immunotech. Envíame un mensaje por WhatsApp al 777-790-9567 y te diré cómo puedes comprar Immunocal con un gran descuento.